Are you in the steel processing business? Well done, because it's a fantastic industry to be in. This information won't come as a surprise to you then. Your competitive manufacturing landscape demands precise quoting, and that involves a lot of manual calculations. Take out your tape measure. What is the total cutting length? How many holes and at what times and cost? Paperwork flying back and forth through the shop. Wait, don't forget your reasonable margin. Create the nesting. It needs to be delivered by tomorrow. Having numerous small orders certainly hampers the creation of efficient nests. All right, get all the paperwork to the floor and let's find out if there's a machine ready to start the first process. If you can't relate to everything, great, you're on the right track. But this is still how things are often done in the industry. We show how you can stand out as a steel processing center. You get access to powerful tools that allow you to integrate critical business information and harness the full capability of our multi-processing machines. With these tools, you can easily access real-time data and make informed decisions. Sound blurry? Watch as we take you through the process. Imagine having a customer who builds machinery and eagerly places an order for new parts. You're able to effortlessly view the parts and generate a competitive quote. Directly import all common and native file formats, eliminating any tedious manual work. Trust me, this series of files will be an absolute breeze for you. With our integrated process parameters, you can effortlessly calculate material and process costs per part, all with a single click. Plus, you can even include secondary processes using pre-set up variables and rules. Now, all that's left for you is to quickly convert this into a quote and link back, along with the exact delivery time to your customer. Given this fast and competitive quote, it leaves no alternative than that the quote is converted to an order and for you to get ready for nesting. By aiming to be a one-stop shop to your customers, it is evident that you have opted for a highly efficient Voortman multi-processing plate machine. This decision is indeed commendable, as the machine is equipped with Voortman's intelligent VACAM control, enabling autonomous decision-making capabilities for tasks such as milling, blind tapping, and complex bevel cutting. With auto-calculated milling paths, complete bevel geometries, and automated tapping sequences, there's no need for full process knowledge or manual time-consuming adjustments up front. Voortman machines come equipped with tested process parameters to accurately calculate the time required for drilling, milling, and cutting. This valuable insight enables precise planning for each phase of the production process. Combined with other orders of the same thickness, the most optimal nesting is generated smoothly. All pertinent information is seamlessly transferred to VACAM, facilitating a smooth, automated, and paperless work preparation process. So you know the precise production times. You have full control over all production phases, and you're not depending on operator knowledge. Planning and scheduling jobs efficiently is unstoppable. Let's dive into how it works. A central dashboard provides proactive machine planning for multiple machines and operations. It encompasses every machine in your shop, and what's impressive is that the software is aware of each machine's capabilities. Consequently, you can rest assured that parts will not end up at the wrong processing stations. Remember those integrated process parameters that provide precise processing insights? With expected production times for each job, planning becomes effortless using a calendar timeline and a simple drag-and-drop interface. Time for some action. Here we have two Voortman multi-processing plate machines with two machines on one rail, which we refer to as double gantry processing. The major advantage of this setup is undoubtedly the double output and enhanced flexibility, as well as the increased length of the table. By keeping frequently used plate thicknesses on the table, you can effortlessly transition between orders. Moreover, operators have the capability to load and unload while the machine continues processing on other sections. With the plate buffer feature, the gantry efficiently runs down every plate on the table during unmanned processes. This makes it ideal for tasks like nighttime drilling and pre-drilling. By the way, it's worth noting that there's no need for paperwork around here. All information seamlessly flows digitally and in real time to and from the shop floor. The 24-inch touch interface provides operators with complete visibility into machine operations and scheduling. They can easily view the daily schedule, track the duration of operations, and here comes the best part. Operators can efficiently cluster multiple tasks based on production times, amperages, material thicknesses, and tools per nesting. This enables the machine to seamlessly produce in sequence and unmanned for extended periods. allowing the operator to focus on other important tasks. The production dashboard clearly displays scheduled manual actions, including planned consumable changes and manual brush actions, ensuring operators never encounter idle machines. With that enhanced flexibility and the ability to combine multiple orders seamlessly, you might wonder, how can I optimize traceability of the various products on the table? Allow me to introduce Color Offload, a solution for effortless unloading and sorting. It offers a visual representation of the complete nesting, with parts identified by color based on customer, work order, or factory routing. It offers comprehensive product information, such as details on any supplementary manual processes or product control requirements. It facilitates streamlined routing by enabling direct product labeling. Is there an issue with the quality of a part? Communication is not a one-way street, but rather a two-way exchange. The operator has the power to both approve and reject processed products in direct communication with the work preparation. As a result, this product is automatically rescheduled for future nesting. All that remains now is gaining a top view of your workflow. Are you naturally curious about the utilization rates of the machines and factors contributing to any periods of downtime? While relying on operators and managers' experience may suffice for daily operations, understanding machine status and downtime reasons is crucial for efficiency improvements. That's exactly why EVI exists. Always connected and providing powerful insight information, whether the machine is on, off, running, or waiting. Access EVI from anywhere, via your phone, tablet, or web page. This powerful tool enables gaining valuable insight into any arising issues, offering in-depth analysis of both real-time and historical machine data. Instantly access detailed reports on any downtimes, accurately pinpointing the root causes. When manufacturing various products, it is extremely useful to systematically compare the actual production times with the pre-calculation afterwards. With EVI's precise log of operational and production times, this systematic comparison not only improves the pre-calculation process, but also, once again, greatly improves profit margins. Be amazed one more time as we break down the entire journey. With order intake, you'll have a clear view of all parts and be able to generate competitive quotes effortlessly. By utilizing tested process parameters, you can effectively plan and efficiently arrange work preparation. Never worry about machine workloads again. Our real-time information on machine availability and schedules allows you to easily balance the workload. Become a one-stop shop with our multi-process machines that offer extended unmanned production. Stay connected with EVI and unlock valuable insights for overall efficiency improvements. It is worth mentioning that the different modules complement and support one another, although they are not inherently bundled as a whole. If you aspire to surpass your competition, let's discuss your key areas for optimal performance.